Why do muscles get stiff after death? Rigor mortis. Imagine muscles suddenly locking up after someone passes away. It might seem strange, but this stiffening is actually a natural process called rigor mortis. When we are alive, our muscles contract and relax smoothly thanks to a tiny molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP acts like a key that allows the muscle proteins actin and myosin to slide past each other, enabling movement. When muscles contract, ATP binds to myosin, causing it to detach from actin and letting the muscle relax. But when a person dies, the body stops producing ATP because blood circulation and oxygen supply cease. Without oxygen, the cells cannot perform aerobic respiration, which is how they make ATP. As ATP levels drop, the myosin heads stay stuck to the actin filaments because they no longer have the energy to detach. This causes the muscles to stay in a contracted position, making the body feel stiff. At first, muscles become floppy because the brain no longer sends signals to contract or relax. But residual ATP in the muscles keeps them relaxed for a short time. Within a few hours after death, ATP reserves are exhausted. The muscles then lock into a contracted state, starting with smaller muscles like those in the face and jaw. Over time, larger muscles in the limbs also stiffen. This stiffening usually begins about 2 hours after death and peaks between 6 and 12 hours. After that, enzymes in the body start breaking down muscle proteins, gradually releasing the muscles from their rigid state. During this process, chemical changes happen too. Lactic acid builds up from the lack of oxygen, lowering the pH inside muscles. Calcium ions leak into muscle fibers and bind to the filaments, reinforcing contraction and adding to the stiffness. Understanding why muscles stiffen after death helps in many fields, especially in forensic science. It provides clues about how long a person has been deceased. It also shows how vital ATP is for muscle function, illustrating that muscle contraction depends on cellular energy. When life ends, the biochemical changes in muscles reveal a lot about what happens inside our bodies at the cellular level.